A very interesting thing happened over the weekend. An investor who had made investments in the units of Parekh funds in 2020 through Grow application and went for redemption over this weekend, was suddenly denied that there is no such investments made and there was no such units which was allocated in 2020. So just imagine that you have made investments in 2020 and suddenly 4 years later you are being told that there is no such investments. So I mean the investor was in a very rough and patchy situation, and then he was told by the Grow application, which was the platform via which the investments were made, that the investments were not actually, I mean, there was no such debit from the bank account and no such investments or no such units were actually allocated from the Parekh funds. Even the AMC, the fund house, denied that no such allocation of units was made, and it was the error on the account of Grow application. There was a technical glitch, a reconciliation error, so to say, because of which the units were actually being shown on the application's interface, but there was no such units in existence. There was no such units allocated. So the investor was in a very rough and patchy situation. The post also kind of went very viral over LinkedIn. And then even then, Grow have confirmed that they will be compensating the person on the basis of market value of those investments, which was being reflected in the application. But again, it's a very rare situation. This is occurring right now. So actually what happens is there is a 3-stage process. The bank statement, the amount is actually debited from your bank statement, which is the sponsor bank, and then it is going through nodal bank, and then after that it goes into the bank account of those fund houses, the AMCs, and only after the amount has actually been received in the bank account of the AMCs, only then the units are allocated and the NAV is assigned to you. It's a very long process, and such problem do not actually rises, but again with rising technical glitches and stuff like this, with these new startup and new fund houses, this problem is very easy to occur, very prone to occur. So what should you do? You should just not rely on the statement. Like, if any investment is visible on the applications, don't just rely that it is there. It might be that after 4 years you're being told that there is no such investment. Imagine what situation would you be in. So what should you do? So whenever you're making such investments, check your bank statement whether the amount has been appropriately debited of your statement. Not just that, don't just rely on the statement which is issued from the fund houses, but there's something known as CAS, which is the consolidated account statement. Now this account statement is generated by depositories like NSDL and CDSL. Yes, NSDL and CDSL are the depositories. These are the monthly statement which is being which is actually been sent to the investors via email IDs. It's people like us don't check it, so we have to check these statements very frequently. We have to see, it's a kind of a summary which is linked with your PAN, and all the investments which are made via your PAN will be reflected, whether it's futures and options or whether it's your direct investments or your mutual funds. Everything is there. It's a summary of every investment made by you through your PAN. So check that. It's a full proof of whatever investments have been made. It's a written thing. It's a proof that your investments have been made and the units have actually been allocated. Because it's not the responsibility at the end of the AMCs or the fund houses. It's your responsibility as to where your funds are going and whether your funds are going to the place where you're actually investing. Otherwise, it becomes a very tough situation, and you will land up with no money ultimately, even if if you land up in such situation. So it's your responsibility, it's your money, you have to remain educated. It's not the responsibility of any fund houses or AMCs. Invest wisely, check these statements. These are sent via email. We have to check. And yeah, so this was the purpose of course of Learning Curve as well, to educate people out there. Spread this message as much as you can, because you never know, you make an investment and 4 years later you are being denied. You're also in the similar position. So spread this message and educate people that it's your responsibility to take care of your funds. And yes, of course, stay tuned for further updates.